So this is a video about the SAR9 slide stop. It is going to be used for diagnosing issues with the slide stop and also teaching the manual of arms of the slide stop. What we're using here is a SAR9C SOCOM. You can tell by the threaded barrel and the aluminum mag well at the bottom of the grip. You're going to have to excuse the absolute state of this pistol. It's a little worse for wear. It's been rode hard and put up wet, but it continues to work amazingly for us. Alright, so we're going to clear our pistol first. Magazine is devoid of ammunition. We open up the action and we see that in the chamber there's no ammunition. We know the pistol is clear. We put the empty magazine in the grip frame and lock the slide to the rear. This is the best chance the slide stop has, to be in the fully up position, as the magazine follower pushes it directly up internally. It only releases when the slide is moved backwards, which cams the slide away from the slide stop and drops it. Or if you push down on the slide stop, as such. There it is with just one thumb. So you can drop this gun in certain orientations and from different heights and get the slide to unlock and release, of course. But from 6 inches off of my padded table, dropped on its side and dropped directly on its mag well, it should not release. Of course, dropped in this direction, that's enough inertia to actually allow the slide to move and unlock. So we just did that. I wanted to demonstrate that in certain orientations it will drop the slide just due to how physics works. Okay, so when you're manually putting up the slide stop without the magazine, you want to get directly underneath the slide stop. I like to use the fingertip here, and as you pull the slide back, you push up and it'll click into position. Once again, that locks it really firmly. The reason I said to use the very tip and get really underneath it is because with bigger thumbs, it can be very hard to actually actuate this because this grip frame actually gets in the way. It really helps to directly get underneath it and push it up for the best results. And with the left hand, I would use my index finger to do something like that, to lock it back. And you can see how secure it is there, but if we drop it in certain orientations, it is enough inertia to get the slide ajar and back into battery. Alright, so if your slide stop does not work in this manner, you can't lock it back that way with the magazine especially, then you may have an issue with your slide stop or the slide stop spring itself, in which case you're going to want to contact SAR USA and get your pistol in for a warranty repair. Alright, hope this video helps with the manual of arms of the slide stop and diagnosing slide stop issues.